Emma, when did you exactly decide to join this grant?
Oh, I don't know na the exact date, but when Pampanga called me na if I can represent Pampanga again to any pageant or this Miss Grant, I said yes na. I didn't think twice because I know that this is the time, this is the right time. I prayed for this one. So I hope that you will still keep on praying and keep on supporting me for this journey. One last na lang to!
Emma, paano daw yung program mo in the morning program?
I am still doing the Kada Umaga at Net 25, so please do watch po. It's Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 noon. I'm with Pia Guanyo Umago and Diana Meneses. I will never leave Net 25, especially Kada Umaga, kasi doon po talaga ako nag-grow. So please do watch and support.
How do you feel that you're considered as the front runner?
I feel honored, I feel grateful. I think para siyang kinda if I am calling ate, the other girls before, ngayon ako na yung tinatawag ni ate. So I am grateful na I can share advice, tips, and experience with these girls. I am proud to call them my baby girls.
Emma, health and fitness preparation for this pageant.
What I do is proper diet. When you say diet kasi it's not really, not eating, di ba? Parang healthy lang. Healthy eating, clean food. And also, if hindi ako pagod, I do exercise. The last time before ako sumali nito, I do running. And I am enjoying it. So yun lang talaga. Kailangan talaga maging fit ka. If you will join pageant or not, you need to thank your body and you need to take care of your body especially.
What kind of diet do you follow?
What kind of diet? Well, less rice, less sugar. Isa dyan sa nakatulong sa akin ay yung sugar police ko na si Diana Meneses because Diana Meneses is a breast cancer survivor. So sinabi niya sa akin na number one cause din talaga kung bakit tayo nagkakasakit ay yung sugar. Sweet tooth ako so medyo mahirap sa akin tanggalin yan. Pero meron pong alternatives to eat sweets pa rin.
Emma, do you still feel pressure or parang nervous since nagbabalik ka after so long?
Of course, in whatever I do, pageant man yan, pageant hosting, event hosting, modeling, and everything that I do, meron pa rin yung kaba. Because I still believe na kapag may kaba, you're willing to learn and grow. Parang kapag hindi ka kinabahan, parang close pa na yung door na yun. Parang close-minded ka na with everything. So, I think yung kaba, parang special ingredient siya for you to do more.
How do you handle online criticisms?
I don't handle them. Yeah, parang hanggat kaya ko, hindi ko binabasa, hindi ko sinasagot. Especially sa mga Amazonas ko, sinasabihan ko sila na wag na lang because we have different opinions, di ba? We will not be everybody's cup of tea. So, let them. Yung kaya mong kontrolin ay yung emotion mo. So, what you can control is yourself. You can control kung anong opinion ng ibang tao.
Ano yung abangan naman in terms of your evening gown, your national costumes?
Abangan pasabog kasi sabi nga natin this is my coming back home. Alam naman natin pageantry is my home, so I am collaborating with these different designers. They're very talented, so abangan. Merong kind of twist. So let's see, tingnan natin kung ano bang i-showcase natin ngayon together with my team.
And your team?
My team is still Mommy G for my pasarela, Vico for my stylist, Jerome Bogdan for my makeup. Medyo nag-iiba-iba lang minsan kasi medyo busy. Pero still, I have my Pampanga team with me and ang aking bagong family ngayon ay ang Crown and Concept.
So you will not take a leave from Net 25? You will not take a leave at all?
I will take a leave for major events like preliminaries, swimsuit, charity gala, especially Coronation Night. I sent them a letter for this one, pero hindi naman talaga ako aalis totally with Net 25.
So you think being a broadcaster is an advantage for you, joining this contest?
Yes, I think so. That's why I joined also because aside from being a newscaster, I am also doing documentaries where I interview different people people po. One of the days siguro, or I can share to you, yung na-interview ko na bata sa Divisoria, you know, when you interview these people, it will humble you eh. Tapos you want to tell story to other people na not just your story, but the stories of these people.
Emma, hindi magkaka-problem with any contract.
No contract. So, Net 25, nakausap ko naman na sila. So, we're good. That's why we're here. Ay, naman!